Hello everybody. Today I want to share about how to study English. So this is the main point of the study English. Here are our top tips on how to speak or how to learn or how to study English quickly. And number one, read everything you can get your hand on. And number two, actively take note of new vocabulary. And number three, talk with real live humans. Number four, subscribe to podcasts or YouTube channel in English. 5. Go abroad. 6. Use your friends. Use your friends. It means that you talk each other every day. When you meet or when you go somewhere together, you can speak. And number 7, ask a lot of questions. Yes, if you don't ask questions to another or teacher or your friend, you can't improve your English speaking, or you can't improve your English. And number 8, take a lead from the stars. Okay, so we go to detail about education.com lessons. So wait. Lesson. Sorry. We go to more website to learn. Here, how to learn English faster, 10 tips. Okay, you see how to learn English quickly, 10 tips. Now we read. English is a fun language to learn. Here are 9 less reasons why it rocks. And even though it consider an accessible and relatively easy one to learn, with 750,000 words and spelling that can throw off even the most skilled learner. Learning English fast can seem impossible, but I'm here to tell you that it isn't, as long as you have the right strategy. Here are our top tips on how to learn English quickly. Number 1, read everything you can get your hand on. Okay, this is the description, or this is this is the meaning or description. Classical literature, paperbacks, newspapers, websites, email, your social media feed, cereal boxes, if it's English, read it. Why? Well, this content will be full of juicy new vocabulary as well as a fair amount you already know. These help you improve quickly as re-exposure to learn vocabulary give you new examples in context. Therefore, reinforcing those, those words in your mind. On the other hand, learning new words and expressions is essential to building your vocabulary arsenal, particularly in a language like English with so many words. However, don't just read and move on. Next, you got to something. Okay, number 2, actively take note of new vocabulary. This tip is a classic one for good reasons. It's work when learning. We often enjoy a new word or phrase so much that forgetting it seems impossible. But trust us, not everything strikes the first time. To fight this, get into the habit of carrying around a funky notebook or using a tool like Evernote. Whenever you hear or read a new words or expressions, write it down in context. That is, in a sentence and with its meaning noted. This saves you time as you want return to that word and ask yourself, what did that word or expressions mean again? And number 3, talk with real live humans. What is a language for if not to communicate? Sure, we humans have become experts at communicating without opening our mouths. Thanks WhatsApp. But when push comes to shove, it's true that speaking a language have its trick in your head for far better than only read or writing it. Just think of how many times you heard people say that they understand but can't speak English. A lot of would-be English speakers have turned talking into a huge, insurmountable barrier that only serve to save the mouth. Don't be like that. Seek out native speakers for an informal language exchange. Enroll in a course or take classes online. And number 4, subscribe to podcasts or YouTube channel in English. Like humor, blogging, cooking with topic, cover every interest imaginable. There are an English speaking podcast or YouTube channel out there for you. Subscribe to a few or listen while driving or during the commute to school or work. At first, you might find the native accents difficult, but stick with it, and you soon start to understand what you hear, as well as learning a lot of new vocab from a native speaker. And number 5, go abroad. If there a better way to learn English than being immersed in it while living and study in an English speaking country, we love to know. It's no secret that English is the most widely spoken language in the world, and with a long list of countries to choose between, you can select your ideal learning environment based on hemisphere, weather, or favorite city. Sing Australia, New Zealand, the UK, the US, Canada, and South Africa, to name a few. And number 6, use your friends. Have friends who post online in English. Don't gloss over them in your new feed. Scan the item they share and commit to exploring 1 or 2 each a day. They might be new or magazine, article, video, talk, blog post, songs, or anything else. If it in English and the topic interests you, it's going to be helpful. Test your English in minutes. No. 7, ask a lot of questions. Curiosity may have killed the cat, but it also propels the language learner to fluency as you learn English. You soon collect a mountain of questions. Don't sit on your doubt. Be curious and resolve them. If you're enrolled in a course, ask your teacher. It's what they're there for, after all. But if you learning alone, don't worry. Find answer in blogs or language websites as other learners, or read through forums You'll be happy you did. And the last point, take a lead from the stars. Make up your learning by picking a native English speaking actors or singer you like. Now head online, find a batch of interviews they given and void them. Watch one for guests. Then again, taking time to note down interesting expressions and words you hear. The slang stories, humor, and anecdotes that come out of this interview are sure to give you plenty to work with. Okay, number 9, number 10. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like and then share to your friend. Thank you. Good luck.